The first two lines of your Upwork proposal decide almost everything, because that's all many clients see before they click. That preview is where jobs are won or ignored. By the end of this, you'll know how to write proposals that get opened, replied to, and hired faster. Start with this. Never open with "Hi sir" or "I am interested." That tells the client nothing. Your first line should prove you read the job post. If the client says they need a Shopify store fixed, your opening should sound like this. I saw you need help fixing checkout issues on your Shopify store. I've handled similar cart bugs before. That does two things. It shows relevance and reduces risk. That's what clients care about. Next part. Show proof fast. Don't explain your whole career. Pick one thing connected to their problem. Example. I recently helped an e-commerce store improve page speed and fix mobile checkout issues. That's enough. Specific beats long. Now the third part. Tell them your plan. Clients hire people who sound clear. Keep it simple. For example, first I'd audit the checkout flow, test the payment gateway, then fix the broken triggers. That makes you sound like someone who already knows the work. Then, end with one question. Not 5. 1. An example. Are you using custom Shopify apps or only native plugins? That starts a conversation. And conversations turn into contracts. Now, what to avoid? Don't copy-paste the same proposal 20 times. Clients can spot it fast. Don't write huge paragraphs. Keep it skimmable. Short blocks. Fast points. And don't underprice yourself just to get noticed. If a job budget is $150, bidding $15 often makes you look inexperienced. Stay close to the client's budget unless the scope is smaller. Here's the structure. Line 1. Mention their problem. Line 2. Show related proof. Line 3. Explain your approach. Line 4. Ask one smart question. That's it. A strong Upwork proposal is usually under 120 words. That's enough to get attention. Quick recap. Type A. Read the job post carefully. Lead with relevance. Show one proof point. Explain your plan. End with one question. Your next step is simple. Rewrite your saved proposal template using this structure before applying again. If this helped, like the video, and subscribe for more freelancing breakdowns.